But first, in a landmark case, Chile's Supreme Court has ordered the extradition of Peru's former President Alberto Fujimori. After 7 years in exile, Mr. Fujimori will now face court on charges of human rights abuses and embezzlement. Human rights groups say he's the first head of state to be tried in his homeland for such crimes.
Chilean Justice Alberto Fujimori was swamped by the media as he delivered the court ruling which can't be appealed. Peru had filed 12 petitions for extradition. The court accepted 7, 2 counts of murder and 5 counts of corruption. Alberto Fujimori, who's been under house arrest in Chile for 2 years, appeared unruffled by the news, saying he looked forward to going home to clear his name. At the monument in Lima to those who died or disappeared during Fujimori's rule, relatives expressed relief at this unexpected turn of events. What do we do now, says Doris Hurtado. Now I just want to laugh. I've cried 15 years out of my life. This horrible person, this killer, robbed me of my son. For many who mourn here, this could be the beginning of the end of a saga which began 17 years ago. Alberto Fujimori came from nowhere to take power in 1990. He went on to win massive public support by crushing the Maoist Shining Path guerrilla group, which had terrorized the country for a decade. The murder charges relate to that time, when he's alleged to have ordered army death squads to carry out 2 massacres. 25 people, including an 8-year-old boy, were killed in the attacks. Alberto Fujimori's government collapsed in disgrace in 2000, when his chief henchman, Vladimiro Montesinos, was caught out, buying off the country's power brokers with millions in embezzled funds. Taking advantage of an APEC summit in Brunei, Alberto Fujimori left Peru. Days later, he resigned as president in a fax sent from Tokyo. Peru's Congress impeached him, but he remained in Japan until 2 years ago when he tried to return to Peru, only to be arrested while changing planes in Chile. His return will be welcomed. A recent Peruvian news poll suggests 75% of the population want him to stand trial at home. Janet Haslett, World News, Australia.